Hi guys, so I'm gonna get right into it. This is a really weird angle. I have you guys all up in my face because today I'm gonna be doing a brow lamination. It's basically like a perm for your eyebrows. So I just want to show you guys what my eyebrows look like before they grow, like just regular. My hair is kind of laid to the side, and the whole point of me doing this is I want them to go upward. We'll see if that works. This is the kit that I'm gonna be using. I got it off of Amazon. You can use this to do brow lamination, or you can use this to do a lash lift. I'm not using it for a lash lift. I'm using it for the brows. So it comes with directions on the back. I already watched like 10 videos of people doing this, but I'm still gonna go through the directions just to make sure I'm doing it right. The first step is use cleanser number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. I just washed my face, so I'm not gonna do that. Apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotions. I think that's if you're doing a lash lift. I'm not doing that. Put glue on the eye pads and then place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it is stayed. Apply the glue on the eyelashes to keep it stuck to the lift pads for 1 minute. Okay, so it comes with lash glue, and I'm gonna use the lash glue to put my eyebrows up how I want them to lay. Videos I watched said this glue is trash, but this glue is actually hitting for something serious because it's mad sticky. Wanted from here to like here to be really fluffy, and then my tails to be how they regularly are. So I basically just did that, and it's pretty tacky, so I'm gonna move on to the next step. So the next step is use the perm lotion number 1 on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. So I'm doing my eyebrows, so I'm gonna apply number 1. It's in a little bottle, they're numbered. I'm gonna put number 1 on, and then I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap for 10 minutes. It says 10 to 12, but I do not want to burn my skin or my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do 10. I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully my hair doesn't come off with it. Okay. Okay. So the next step says remove the perm lotion number 1 with wide brush and then apply fixing agent number 2 on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap for 10 minutes. So they come with these little brushes. I guess you're just supposed to use this to clean them off. Number 2, it says fixation, so I'm just gonna rub number 2 on. I'm just gonna rub number 2 on. A fresh piece of cling wrap, of course, and I'm going to put this on for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been another 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, I'm gonna take the little bottle that says number 4. It's the cleanser, and I'm just gonna use that to, I guess, cleanse. are just the glue, and I don't really care about that. As long as there's no perm on my face, then that's fine. So I'm gonna move on. Very last step is to use bottle number 3. It says nutrition, and you just want to moisturize your brows with this. Now I'm completely finished, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna brush them up to see if they'll stay. Oh, wow. So it worked, because normally to get my brows to lay up like that, I have to use like Got2b spray, but they're actually laying without it. Okay. I'm not gonna do my makeup today because, you know, I want to give my skin like some time to kind of just like process what the fuck just happened to it. I know a lot of people, they'll do it and then do their makeup right after. I'm not gonna do that. I'll do my makeup tomorrow, and then I'll come on camera and show how it looks.